Hello friends, welcome to the Villa Chefs. Today we are going to make a Peruvian chicken dish called ají de gallina. To start with, we shall slice 1 kg of boneless chicken breast in half to reduce their thickness. Once our chicken breasts are cut in half, we shall then lightly pound them with a mallet to keep them soft, tender and juicy when cooking. In the next step, we shall smash 3 cloves of garlic and add it to 400 milliliters of chicken stock. Bring this chicken stock to a boil and add chicken pieces to it. Make sure that the chicken pieces are well covered by the stock. Allow this to come back to a boil and then reduce the flame to a minimum. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes till the chicken is well cooked. Once our chicken is well cooked, we take this off the gas and allow it to cool. After the chicken has cooled, take it off the pan and shred the chicken with a fork. Keep the stock aside as we shall be later using this again in our dish. We shall now cut some yellow Peruvian chili peppers. I did not get them here and have used yellow capsicum. Cut and blanch them along with 2 red chilies to bring up the spice level. Once blanched, drain the water and grind this to a puree and keep aside. In a clean mixer, add evaporated milk. Roughly tear and add 5 slices of bread. Don't use the outer crusty sides of the bread. Blitz the milk and bread and keep aside. Boil 2 potatoes and 2 eggs and keep aside for garnish. The eggs only need to be soft boiled. Take a large deep pan and add some oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and onions to it and stir till the onions are soft and translucent. Take care, we don't want to brown the onions here, they just need to be soft, that's all. This should take about 2 or 3 minutes. Once the onions are soft, you can add the yellow chili paste which we have kept ready. Stir this together well. Add cumin and turmeric and let this cook for about 5 minutes. Then follow this by adding the evaporated milk and bread. Let this cook for another 2 minutes more. And then add in the chicken stock in 2 batches. After this is stirred and it comes back to a boil, add in the shredded chicken. Mix all this nicely together. And then add half the powdered pecan nuts. If you cannot get pecan nuts in your area, you may add walnuts instead. Let this come back to a boil and then cover and cook on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. And now our chicken is ready to be plated. Slice the potato in thick round pieces. Also slice the boiled egg. Place 2 or 3 pieces of this potato and pour the chicken over this. Finally garnish with powdered pecan nuts, boiled egg, olives and a sprig of parsley. Enjoy your ahi de gaina with some rice. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue to bring you easy and simple dish from the world over. Signing out, the Villa Chefs.